Hello again, fellow virtual consultants. Thank you for joining us for our video on how to create an IFTTT app, if this then that applet, which will take input from a cell in a Google Sheet with a variable formula and take the value that's updated in that Google Sheet to create posts in X, or formerly called Twitter, and also post to a channel in Discord with, again, the value updated from the variable formula in a Google Sheet. So let's get started. If you have not already seen our first episode in our IFTTT If This Then That tutorial titled How to Get Started with IFTTT If This Then That, and we would highly recommend that you view that video as that explains what IFTTT is, how IFTTT works, how IFTTT may be used to automate your business, how to set up your IFTTT account, and then how you may offer and sell your automated services using If This Then That as additional value and benefits to your virtual consulting clients. So again, if you have not already viewed episode number 1 in our If This Then That IFTTT tutorial, we would highly recommend that you also view that video, as that again shows you how to get started, how to get set up with IFTTT. You should be able to find the link to episode number 1 in our IFTTT tutorial in the description box below, and we hope that also helps. This technique can be used very versatilely to create a single applet to take variable data from a Google Sheet and take any actions that you would like to take. So again, very versatile formula to be able to create a single applet to use variable data in any subsequent actions you want to take. In this particular use case for this example, we have a YouTube channel with a large number of playlists, and when we add a video to a particular playlist, we want to be able to post that data to X, or formerly Twitter, with the name of that playlist and also the title of the video, some hashtags, the URL of the video as variables in that posting, and also to a particular channel in a Discord, again using those variables in the posting in that Discord, including the playlist name, the URL, and the title of that video that was added to the playlist. So again, this applet in IFTTT using a formula in a Google Sheet cell will allow us to insert those variables in the unique postings in Twitter, X, and Discord using a single applet. To start this process, we're going to want to first create our Google Sheet, a new Google Sheet formatted as we would like. So in an appropriate Google Drive folder that's going to be accessible to the Google Chrome profile that you're going to run your IFTTT applet from, you create a new Google Sheet. In this case, we've created a new Google Sheet named Playlist. We put it in the Beach Bum Trading Data folder. You're going to want to remember the folder where you place that, and again, make sure that it's shared to the Google Chrome profile under which you're running your IFTTT app. Then we want to format Sheet 1 of our Google Sheet. I would recommend putting column titles as placeholders so you can align your data with all the data that you're going to use containing the inputs to the variable formula. So in here we have an example of one of our videos that we are posting to a playlist. So we have all the variables in that data. Then at the end, after all the data with the variables in it, we've created a column called tweet in W. And in that column, we posted a formula. So you can see the formula containing the string with the basis of the tweet that we want to post. And we have several variables. So we're using C2, which is the title of the video, as a variable in that formula. Also using S2, which is the name of the playlist. So again, that gets inserted. And then also U2, which is the URL of that video in the playlist, so that the value of that tweet will contain, again, the title of the video. You see we have some hashtags. It's got the name of the playlist in square brackets, and then some formatting and also the URL of the playlist. So those are the variable pieces of data. It doesn't matter what playlist we post the video to, the title of the video or the URL of the video, those will all be inserted into that tweet value that gets generated. And then that's what we'll use as the trigger for our IFTTT applet. So again, I would highly recommend you create the format, test the formula of your tweet, make sure that it's coming out with the values that you would like. So we paste that values, we can see exactly what this tweet will look like for this example. So we see, check the formatting, make sure it's formatted the way we want, has the correct values as the variable values in that formula. So once you're satisfied that the formula is correct, then we have our Google Sheets set up that will again provide the input trigger to our IFTTT applet. Okay, once we have our Google Sheets set up the way we would like it as our input, we can go ahead and start creating our IFTTT applet to use that Google Sheet as input to do our postings. So if we create a new applet, we want to add the Google Sheet as the trigger. So we can search for Google, find Google Sheets, select that as the trigger. We want to select cell updated in worksheet in spreadsheet. We want to again select the account that has access to that Google Sheets, under which that Google Sheet is going to be used. Again, you want to enter the folder path where you stored that Google Sheet. So in our case, we stored that in Beach Bum Trading Data. So again, you'll want to enter the path underneath My Drive with the folder, again, the path to the folder where that Google Sheet is stored. Enter the file name. So in our case, it was playlists. Then you get the URL from the URL of the Google Sheet. Paste that into the file name, or paste that into the spreadsheet URL. And the name of our playlist, file name. And then we want the cell that we're going to monitor. Again, it's important in this variable case that the cell that we're monitoring for updates is the cell with our formula, which is W2. So when that formula cell gets updated, we want to use that as our trigger. It's important to use that one as the trigger, as that will provide the value as input to the subsequent then action steps that we can then use in our postings. So once we do that, we create our trigger. Okay, once we have our trigger created with our updated formula cell in our Google Sheet spreadsheet, we can then use that value in any subsequent actions that we would like. In our particular case, we're going to use that to generate tweets in Twitter, now X. So if we go ahead and select an action of Twitter, you see you can still search for Twitter. It will show up as X. We want to post a tweet. Select the Twitter account that you're going to post to. Again, we want to specifically use our value. So you see it automatically inserts the spreadsheet name, spreadsheet URL. We don't want that. We just want the particular value. So you can see those are the ingredients that are available, the path, the spreadsheet URL, just the value. So that's just the value of the formula cell. In this case, for the Twitter tweet, we want to add some specific hashtags. So again, we set up our formula with just the base posting value. We can add our hashtags for the Twitter tweet. We can create that action. In this case, we can also create our action to post to Discord. So we can select Discord, post a message to a channel, select the channel, the server that we want, whatever particular channel that we want. In this case, probably YouTube. And then again, we just want a specific message, not including the hashtags. So we just want the value of our posting coming from our formula in our Google Sheet. So that's all we need in the message. Again, you can add additional text to whatever that formula output is if you'd like. And we can go ahead and create that action. So now our applet is all set to go, so we can go ahead and put that into production. It's connected. Can select notifications, select for failures, and now we can go ahead and test our IFTTT applet. So the next time we add a video to a playlist for this particular user, then we can update our playlist Google Sheet row with the appropriate data, either by entering that data or copy pasting that data. The formula will get updated, and that will then provide the trigger to our IFTTT applet and send our tweets to Twitter and our posts to Discord. So we'll go ahead and verify that that works. I would recommend that you do your data updates in a separate location, separate spreadsheet, so that you can copy paste the values into the sheet that you're using as the trigger for your IFTTT applet, as again, you don't want any updates to that formula column prematurely triggering your IFTTT applet. So in our case, we maintain our playlist entries in a separate Google Sheet. Then when we add a video to a playlist, we can copy those values that we've used in the playlist Google Sheet directly into our playlist Google Sheet with our formula that provides the trigger for our IFTTT applet. So we copy paste those into row 2. That will update the formula, which will then trigger our IFTTT applet. And then we can view the activity and verify that that applet was triggered. So, and what the updates to the cell were, so we can verify it got the correct update. You can see the value of the formula that was the result of updating that row in the playlist Google Sheet. And then we can also see this particular tweet that was sent to Twitter and the message that was sent to Discord. If for some reason you get a trigger failure, the update didn't trigger properly, you can just edit the formula and enter a character, etc. Hit enter. That will update the formula and should then re-trigger that applet in IFTTT. So again, you can see how versatile this type of technique can be to use variables in a cell in a Google Sheet, to use a single applet in IFTTT to generate any number of actions, tweets in Twitter, posts in Discord, etc. So again, any subsequent action, you could use that cell with the variables in the formula as the input to those subsequent actions. So this saves you having to create separate applets for each different, in this case, playlist, etc., to handle that variable data. So again, hopefully you can see how this could save you time, energy, and money, and also that for your virtual consulting clients. So again, we hope this all helps. And please let us know what you think of this, other ideas that you can use, variable cells in a Google Sheet to take further actions. If you have any questions, comments, etc., please leave them in the comments below of this video. And again, we hope this all helps. So hopefully this all helps you see how much time, effort, and therefore money that you can save by creating applets and running them in production using IFTTT, if this then that, and also how offering this as an additional service to your virtual consulting clients can also help them save time, effort, and therefore money, and be of benefit, further benefit to them as well. So again, another potential automation service that you can offer to your virtual consulting clients to create, run, monitor, etc., update, maintain IFTTT applets for them. And again, something that you can use for your own virtual consulting business to make you more productive, more efficient, and therefore hopefully more profitable and more successful in your virtual consulting business. So we hope this all helps. Let us know what you think and any other applets that you would like to see in future videos. So again, we hope this all helps. If you have any questions regarding how to get started with IFTTT that were not already answered in our How to Get Started video, any comments, etc., any requests for additional applets that you would like to create, or if you would have any questions regarding how to create particular applets with IFTTT, please put them in the comments underneath the video below. You can also put your questions and comments and feedback, etc., in our virtual consulting community Discord, for which you will find an invite in the description box below. So again, if you have any questions, comments, etc., about any of the videos in our IFTTT, if this then that tutorial, please let us know in the comments below the video, in our Discord, in our Facebook group, etc., and we will try to respond and facilitate any of those requests as soon as we are able. So we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for watching our videos. Please hit the notify bell icon and subscribe to our Virtual Consulting 101 YouTube channel so that you'll be notified as we release further video episodes in our IFTTT If This Then That tutorial and other videos that can help you grow and succeed in your virtual consulting business. So we hope this helps. This video and the Virtual Consulting YouTube channel is powered by the Virtual Consulting Firm. Please also visit and follow us on social media via the links that you may find on our About page. In the top right, you can link to our Virtual Consulting homepage. You can follow us on Twitter, LinkedIn, etc. You can also find our web hosting company. And if you scroll to the bottom, You'll find additional links to some of our other social media sites, our Facebook site, our Instagram site. Also, we hope you will join us in the Virtual Consulting Facebook group where we can discuss any topics and you can ask any questions related to virtual consulting, and we'd be happy to help you succeed in your virtual consulting business, get started, and succeed in your virtual consulting business. And also our Pinterest, and again the web hosting company that we use for our homepage. So again, we hope you will also choose to follow us on our social media sites, visit us, let us know what you think of all this, how can we help you. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. We would also like to cordially invite you to join us in the new Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. You should be able to find an invite in the description box below and or in the link section on our website on the Virtual Consulting Firm homepage, which you can also find a link to in the description box below at thevcf.com. And again, we'd like to invite you to join us and discuss any topics related to virtual consulting, etc., any help that you would need. In the Virtual Consulting Community Discord server, it is free to join. Again, any topics you want to discuss, any help you would like to have to succeed in your virtual consulting business, we can discuss those topics there, and hopefully our fellow virtual consultants will help each other out and mutually benefit from participating in the new Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. So we look forward to seeing you there. Again, you can find an invite in the description box below, in the About page of our YouTube channel, in the links section of our homepage, thevcf.com. And again, we look forward to joining you in the Virtual Consulting Community Discord server. Thank you. Please help us be able to continue to produce frequent quality content to help you learn how to get started and succeed in virtual consulting as a virtual consultant by supporting virtual consulting via our Patreon at patreon.com/virtualconsulting. Again, this is totally voluntary. If you would wish to provide us with your support, we would greatly appreciate it. You can see you can receive additional benefits, and we hope to be able to add additional benefits to each of these membership levels, any of which you may choose. And again, we'll be adding additional benefits to each membership level as we are able. So again, if you're able to help support us in being able to produce frequent quality content and additional benefits for our Patreons, we hope you will choose to select a membership in our Patreon at patreon.com/virtualconsulting. We thank you for your support. Good luck and have a great day. Thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope that you liked it. Please smash the like button to help the YouTube algorithm share our videos with more of your fellow virtual consultants around the world. Please share this on your social media and with your other virtual consultants around the world. If you're not already subscribed to our virtual consulting YouTube channel, we hope that you will choose to subscribe, and please hit the bell icon to be notified as we release new content. Please provide us with your feedback in the comments below. Let us know how we can help you be more successful as a virtual consultant, get started as a virtual consultant, and be successful in your virtual consulting business. Again, thank you for watching our video to the end. We hope this all helps, and have a great day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.